Greetings from a city on 4 rivers. Originally built as a fortress, it is known today for its green parks, rich history and beer industry tradition. Numerous music and cultural events take place in Karlovac, such as the Beer Days, which attract visitors from all over Croatia and the region. To make the city even more recognizable and support exciting nightlife, it was decided to modernize its existing public lighting system. The city of Karlovac has joined the European project Smart EPC, which aims to test a new generation of energy performance contracts that incorporate smart energy services in addition to the reconstruction itself. Smart EPC enables the reconstruction of the public lighting system, along with the development of advanced communication networks, the construction of electric vehicle charging stations, and other so-called smart city technical solutions. At the beginning of 2023, the city of Karlovac contracted an EPC project, with the contractor committing to design, finance and reconstruct approximately 9,000 lamps. The contractor will only be compensated for the energy savings realized during the 10-year contract. Software tool also monitors the execution of the contracted energy performance service, the achievement of guaranteed energy savings, as well as the functionality of the luminaires. In addition to the public lighting system, the contractor was granted the right to build electric vehicle charging stations, thereby securing an additional source of income and motivating him to offer more favorable lighting services. If you are looking for more details on energy performance contracts in public lighting reconstruction, or how Smart EPC can help your city or municipality, please visit our webpage